In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to place a document right on your Loop page so your teammates can find it quickly and open it without hunting through folders or messages. Let's start with the page itself. Open a Loop page where you want the document to live. A Loop page is a flexible canvas inside your workspace, perfect for notes, plans, and collaborative content. Choose the page that already hosts your discussion or create a fresh one if you're beginning a new thread. Either way, you're just getting the space ready so the file can sit exactly where it makes the most sense in context. Next, place your cursor in an empty spot on the page and type something. Anything brief works, like a label or a short note about the file. Typing wakes up the page and creates a spot for the attachment to land. This simple action also helps you position the file among your notes, action items, or meeting summaries so the page stays clear and organized. Now, paste your document link right there. Use your usual paste command and drop in the full URL from your source, such as OneDrive or SharePoint. Loop recognizes common cloud file links for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDFs, and more. If your team will need access, make sure you're using a link that they can open. That keeps everything smooth when people click through from the page. Pasting the link directly without extra formatting lets Loop do the heavy lifting and convert it into a clean attachment card. Once you paste, the file appears as an attachment on the page. You'll see a tidy card with the document's name and an icon, making it easy to spot and easy to open. This attachment becomes part of the conversation right where you need it, so your team can review the file, reference it during meetings, and jump straight into the document with a single click. It's a lightweight way to keep context and content together without clutter or confusion. If the card doesn't appear as expected, common culprits include partial links, links that aren't accessible to your team, or extra formatting that interferes with detection. Clearing those up usually does the trick. For best results, label the attachment with a quick sentence above it so everyone understands why it's there and how it fits into the discussion. That's all there is to it. Open your page, type in an empty space, paste the link, and let Loop attach the file for you. Simple, fast, and totally in flow with your work.